You ever seen somebody singing in the rain? What about dancing in the rain? Gene Kelly? Yeah. Okay, so subscribe, thumbs up. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a power wash. I just wanted to show before and after, so I got a bunch of moss buildup. And it's been there for several years. And I'm going to clean it up in the rain. And there's a song that goes, raindrops falling on my head. But that doesn't mean. Okay, so I actually like watching people accomplish tasks, labor tasks. It makes me feel good. And this is one guy I've watched a number of times, just cleaning people's yards, just mowing down weeds, and you know, he wouldn't even do any landscaping. He just engaged in labor, and that made me feel good just to watch a guy hard at work. So here I am, hard at work. Here we go. Some folks don't know this. My wife, she didn't know, and for a while I didn't know. You want to get the water coming out of that spigot first. You don't want no skipping or popping or snapping before you turn on your power sprayer, because that'll burn up your motor. So I keep going until it's coming out constantly smooth, consistently. No snapping or popping or bubbling or crackling sounds. It's just a nice, steady stream. And see, now I'm ready to go. Starting to smell like a swamp. That moss, when you start to kill it like that, it lets off all kinds of stinky smell. Swampy like. Stale water. And so you can get an idea of how that's going to look. So you got that clean look, and then you got all that mossy, something that you'd see when you go walking in the forest, right? But this is a city dwelling. This ain't no forest. This ain't no forest. Watch out, Gump! That boy's fast, man. I don't like to use my power sprayer longer than 30 minutes at a time. before and after. Looks a little different. Subscribe, thumbs up, appreciate that. You're the only thing that keeps this channel alive. With your subscription and your thumb up and your ring my bell on this rainy day. Ring my bell, rainy day. You can see the squirrels, they come in here. They dig these little holes. They dig those little holes. They dig up my strawberry plants. I've seen strawberry plants all strung out. The roots are up, laying on the surface. Squirrels. Yeah, so I catch them and take them to the park. There is a lot of squirrels at my local park. It's just about 4 blocks away. Anyway, so I'm going to finish this project. You have a wonderful life. And please subscribe, thumbs up. Bye now.